Hello, my name is Lin Hui, and this is my student ID card. And today I will introduce my app, the Studio Task Manager. Okay, I choose a small design studio as my business scenery, and this studio has 3 to 5 employees, such as the designer or the video editors. And currently, the manager use the paper notes or Excel films to assign the task. When employees finished a task, they tell the manager, and the manager updates the record by hand. This method has 3 big problems. The first, the paper notes can get lost, and the Excel films can be accidentally deleted. And the second, the manager has to ask the employees to know if the task is done, which takes time. And third, there is no easy way to see all the unfinished tasks at the glance. And my apps solve these problems by digitizing the task management. First, all tasks are saved on the phone. Even if you close the app or restart the phone, the data stays. And this means no more lost paper notes. And second, the employees can mark the task as complete in the app. The manager can see updates immediately without asking. And third, the app show only unfinished task in a clear list. The manager can quickly see what still needed to be done. And for the studio, this save time and reduce the mistake. For the employees, they know exactly what task they have and when they are due. With my app, the new workflow is very simple. The first is the manager open the app. Second, the manager enter the task description and the employees' names and the deadlines. Then click the end. Third, the task appeared in the list of the unfinished task. When the employees finish the task, the manager chopped on that task in the list, confirms, and the task is removed. All data is saved automatically, and the manager can close the app and open it later. The all tasks are still there. Okay, let me show you the feature I have implemented. The first is the add task. You can type the task description, the employee name, and the due date. When you click the add, the task is saved. And the feature two is that view the unfinished task. The app shows a list of all tasks that are not yet complete, and each task shows the description, employees, and the deadline. Feature three is that mark the task as completed, and if you tapped on the task, pop up ask mark this task as completed, and if you uh, check and click the yes, the task the task will disappear from the list. And the feature four is the data persistence. If you close the phone or restart the phone, the data will still stay. The feature five is that input validations. If I try to add a task with the Empty field. The optional message is that all field must be filled. And the feature six is that refresh button. If you want to refresh the list uh, manually, you can click the refresh button. Now let me explain how I store the data. I use the TimeDB, which is a simple databases in in the app in Voucher. My data structure is a list of the lists. The main list is called global task list. Inside it, each task is a list with four parts. The part one is the task description. The part two is the employee name. The part three is the due data, and the part four is a true or false block. And the false means the task is not complete, and the true means it is complete. To make sure my app works correctly, I made a task plan. I test the normal case like adding a task with the all filmed and marking a task as complete all works well. And I test the empty input case. The app show a error message and didn't add the task. And I tested the precedence. I added the task, closed the app, and reopened it, and all the tasks were still here. And I also tested the special characters. The apps handle them without the crashing, and all tasks passed. And so I am confident the app works well. And then the next, my apps have some limitations. The first, it does not support the many users to use, and each one use the same device. And the second, there are no reminding or notifications for the deadlines. And the third, you cannot edit a task after you add it. And the fourth, there is no way to see the complete task. They just disappeared from the list. And for the future, I plan to add more feature. And for the future, I plan to add more features. The first, I want to add a way to view the complete test in a list. And the second, I want to add a search or filtered functions to find the task by the employees. And third, I would like to add the deadline remindings, and so the employees can get the notifications. And the fourth, I plan to add the code uh, backup so the task can be shared across the device. Thank you for watching my project introduction. And if you have any question, I'm happy to answer them.